Hello everyone, let's make the Z necklace with me today. For this necklace, we will need 4 strings of 130 centimeters. We will start from the middle, tie a knot from the middle. Make sure it is in the right place so we will have enough length for the following necklace. When you have made a knot, tighten every string from both sides so the knot will be nicely. Then we will be making this kind of spiral knot. Take 1 string for the foundation knot. And the 7 string left to go around to make it spiral. This is a little bit complicated knot for a beginner. I'll try to explain along with the video. You have to insert 2 times for each knot and make it very close to each other. When you have done with 1 knot, take the next one and wrap around with the same technique. If this is hard for you, then you can totally skip this knot and put the Z stone right after you make a knot in the middle. It will still look good. When you insert enough 7th string, it has to become a round and then meet the first string. Then we take the next one and make the second spiral round until it looks like in the video. Now we will make the easier spiral knot from both sides. Then make the round braiding. If you don't know how to do the 4 braiding, check out my video for detailed tutorial in the corner and come back here later. Make the necklet long for 37 centimeters or longer or shorter if you like. Make the sliding knot. Then we are done. Thank you for watching. You can buy all materials from our shop or online. We also sell the finished products and many more. Please check out the link in the description. Please give me a like and subscribe so I can have more motivation to make more videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.